Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to share a simple and unique technique for setting up a tarp all by yourself. I've looked online and haven't found any videos using this method. So I'm thrilled to show it to you. First, lay your tarp flat on the ground where you want to set it up. Make sure it's fully spread out and positioned correctly. Drive rebar into the ground at each of the four corners where you plan to secure the tarp poles. This will be our entry points. Take your tarp poles and insert them over the rebar stakes. The rebar will fit snugly inside the poles, keeping them stable. Once the poles are in place, they will stand on their own because the rebar holds them steady. This makes it a lot easier to keep going without needing anyone else to help. Next, use ropes to secure each pole. Then make sure everything is tight and stable. Finally, adjust the tension of the ropes to make sure the tarp is securely in place and evenly tight. Your tarp setup is now complete and ready for use.